You've been praying, you've been waiting, you've been asking God, when is it going to happen for me? And maybe you feel like nothing's moving. But let me tell you, God isn't ignoring you. He's preparing you. Every season you've been through, every closed door, every tear, it's all a part of His preparation for the breakthrough you've been praying for. And when God opens that door, it's going to make sense why He didn't open it earlier. Today, I'm going to help you recognize when you're in that preparation season, how to stay strong while you're waiting, and how to get ready so when the blessings come, you're ready to walk in it, not lose it. I'm going to help you along with understanding God's preparation. Number one, God's delays are not God's denials. Many people quit right before the breakthrough. The waiting period is often the training period. Number two, God works in seasons. Just as a farmer waits for the harvest, we must wait for the right season for our prayers to be answered. Number three, God is more concerned with your character than your comfort. He's building your patience, your faith, and resilience. Your current struggle is not punishment, it's preparation. The very thing you're crying about today is the weight training that's building the spiritual muscle you'll need tomorrow. Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. James chapter 1 verses 2 and 3. There are key spiritual growth steps. Number one, you spend daily time in the Word. This is your training manual for breakthrough. Number two, consistent prayer. Not just asking, but listening. God will often give you instructions before the blessing. Number three, fasting and surrender. Shows God you're serious and dependent on Him. Think about David. Before he was king, he was a shepherd. He fought lions and bears in private before facing Goliath in public. God is training you in your shepherd field right now. Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Romans chapter 12 verse 2. Mind and heart readiness. Number one, breaking limiting beliefs. Stop saying, I'm not ready or I'm not worthy. Replace with scripture-based affirmations. Number two, emotional resilience. Not every season will feel good, but you're not led by feelings, you're led by faith. Number three, gratitude practice. Gratitude attracts God's presence into your situation. Life doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you're prepared for. And when you're prepared in Christ, there is nothing you can't face, nothing you can't overcome, and there's nothing you can't receive. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. Luke chapter 16, verse 10. I'm going to give you some practical steps to position yourself. Be faithful with what you have. Steward your current resources well. Number two, serve where you are. Promotion in God's kingdom often starts with humility. Number three, stay ready. Don't get ready. Keep your skills sharp, your heart pure, and your spirit alert. Joseph was prepared in the prison before he was placed in the palace. His integrity in the dark made him ready for influence in the light. And I'm going to give you some signs your breakthrough is close. Increase spiritual attacks. the enemy often fights hardest before your victory. Divine connections. God begins bringing the right people into your life. A shift in your perspective. You start seeing yourself as God sees you. And let us not be weary in well-doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not. Galatians chapter 6, verse 9. Your breakthrough is coming. Don't you dare give up now. God is preparing you for something that will blow your mind. Stay faithful. Stay expectant. Stay ready. Because when that door opens, you won't just walk through it. You'll run through it with the confidence that you are equipped and you are ready. Now, unto him that is able to do exceeding abundantly above all that we ask or think, according to the power that worketh in us. Ephesians chapter 3, verse 20.